Why insulin is so outrageously expensive? Why is insulin a widely sold drug of which most forms are now off patent so incredibly expensive? These are simple questions, but ones with a number of complicated answers. Only three companies control 90% of the global insulin market. The big three insulin producers, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, and Sanofi, dominate more than 90% of the world insulin market by value. Often, only one of these companies supplies insulin in a country, which means they more or less hold a monopoly there and can set prices as they wish. Number two, no generic insulin. Insulin is a therapeutic biological product rather than a chemically synthesized molecule. This means it cannot be made as generic in the same way as other drugs. Number three, pay for delay schemes and lawsuits. A pay for delay agreement is a patent dispute settlement in which generic manufacturer acknowledges the original patent of a pharmaceutical company and agrees to refrain from marketing its product for a specific period of time. In return, the company receives a payment from the patent holder. This means it is actually legal for one insulin producer to pay another one not to enter the market. Number four, pharma marketing schemes. Physicians in the United States and some other countries are allowed to collect fees from pharmaceutical companies for talks, advice, and much more. Supposedly, these are to compensate physicians for their expertise and time. In some countries like India, physicians are allowed to sell and profit off insulin directly through patients or through pharmacies they themselves own, cutting out middlemen and the retail pharmacies. Thus, they lose the incentive to find the lowest price insulin for their patients. Payment for influence or silence. Many major key opinion leaders, influencers, and patient advocacy organizations take pharma cash. For example, the two biggest diabetes organizations, the American Diabetes Association and the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, have accepted huge sums from insulin manufacturers.